You've heard the rumor, maybe in school, maybe at work. Someone says, don't pull the fire alarm unless it's real, because it'll scratch ink on your hand, and you'll get caught. Sounds odd, right? But is it true? Today we're diving into one of the most persistent myths out there. Do fire alarm pull stations actually spread ink to catch pranksters? Let's break it down. This myth has been around since decades. It's especially popular in schools, where pulling a fire alarm as a prank is a known issue. The idea of a secret ink trap is got that perfect mix of fear and mystery. Here's the deal. Most standard fire alarm pull stations don't scratch ink. There's no hidden dye pack, no exploding water. They're just designed to trigger the alarm, nothing more. That said, there have been rare cases where schools or businesses installed tamper-evident devices like ink pads or UV dye near high-risk areas, but these are extremely uncommon and not part of the standard fire safety equipment. When you pull a fire alarm, it sends a signal to the building's fire alarm control panel, which may alert services, emergency services, and trigger evacuation protocols. False alarms can lead to fines, disciplinary action, and even criminal charges. So yeah, no ink, but still serious other consequences. That's a positive deterrent. I like the idea of dye packs and stolen money, or exploding ink pads and clothing stores. The myth works because it scares people into not messing around. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. So just pulling a fire alarm scratch ink on your hand? The answer is no. But that doesn't mean you should ever pull one as a joke. Consequences are real and way worse than a little ink. If you like this Mythbusting video, deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe and drop your favorite urban legend in the comments below. Maybe we'll bust that one next.